After visiting a few state parks in Kentucky, I headed for Tennessee's most visited state park, Fall Creek Falls State Park. I started couple of hikes on this park which I couldn't complete. First was cable trail, which you have to hike by holding this cable. But you reach at this one point where there is a huge drop which you have to complete without the cable because the cable is too far. Other one was hike to Piney Falls. It was raining on and off, but I still decided to hike with umbrella. But I learned halfway that this trail is closed, so I had to turn back, but I got to see this cool suspension bridge and Piney Falls from the overlook. Next, I did part of Lower Loop and Gorge Overlook Trail to check out rest of the 3 falls of the park. One more suspension bridge. This is the namesake Fall Creek Falls. It is highest waterfall east of Mississippi River. Let's check it out from bottom. I like how wide trails are at this park compared to other parks I visited on this trip. Very rugged. Definitely bring hiking poles if you are doing this trail. I went behind the falls and recorded hyperlapse of it. I am finding this hyperlapse very funny. Anyways, let's check out the other 2 falls. These are Rock House Falls and Can Creek Falls. I am not sure why I didn't record better videos of it. This park has options of boat and kayak rentals. I am doing boat tour today and planning to do kayaking tomorrow. This tour was only $10 and it's not that busy today, so there are only 3 of us on this boat. This tour is an hour long on this huge lake, so I am just relaxing. I loved this lake, so planning to do some kayaking before leaving from this park tomorrow morning. Alright, here we go. There are 2 dogs on the... One is on kayak and one is on canoe.